Welcome back everyone to my YouTube channel, Bappa Da Travel Vlog. If you're visiting the channel for the first time, a warm welcome to you. And to all my regular viewers, thank you so much for your continuous love and support. Today, I am taking you to one of the most stylish and luxurious hotels in Bangkok, W Bangkok Hotel. Located right in the heart of the city, this place is not just a hotel, it's a vibe, a lifestyle, an experience. In this full video, we'll explore the room, breakfast, pool, spa, service, location, everything in detail, just like a real travel experience. If you're planning a trip to Bangkok and confused about where to stay, this video will definitely help you. So let's begin our luxury stay journey. As soon as I arrived at the hotel, the stylish building caught my attention. The W brand is already known for its fashion, music, and lifestyle vibe, and this Bangkok location reflects that perfectly. Whether it's daytime or nighttime, the hotel always shines with its glass design and colorful lights. The moment I stepped out of the car, a staff member welcomed me with a smile and took care of my luggage. From the entrance itself, it felt like I was about to enter a completely different world. Stepping inside the lobby, I instantly felt the unique W Hotel vibe. Artistic decor, colorful lights, modern artwork, stylish furniture, everything looked like a movie set. The lobby isn't very large, but it's designed with so much creativity that every corner feels photogenic. The reception staff were friendly and explained everything clearly. Check-in time, breakfast location, pool hours, room keys, and more. Soft background music made the atmosphere even more relaxing. It was a really smooth check-in experience.
In the heart of Bangkok City, where the neon starts to glow, there's a place that feels like magic, where the good vibes always flow. W Hotel, shining bright, every moment feels brand new, and tonight I'm
After check-in, I went to my room, and the moment I opened the door, I was impressed. The room was spacious, open, and decorated in a very modern style. The king-size bed looked extremely comfortable, one of those beds that guarantee a royal sleep. There was a sitting area, soft lighting beside the bed, and a proper work desk for those who want to work or edit videos during their trip. The best feature of the room was the floor-to-ceiling windows. From there, you get an amazing city view. Bangkok's lights, traffic, and skyline make the whole atmosphere magical, especially at night. The bathroom was equally luxurious. A big glass shower area, a separate bathtub, premium toiletries, soft towels. Everything was clean and well maintained. Overall, the room easily scores 10 out of 10 for comfort and design.
With a dream and a perfect view. Oh, W Bangkok, light up the night, skyline dancing, everything feels right. From the lobby to the rooftop bar, we go so far, and Simple Bappa is here tonight, living the vibe under Bangkok lights. Golden halls and crystal shine, every corner full of style, cocktails mixing, music spinning. Stay a little, talk a while, the city beats inside my heart, and the rhythm feels so true. W Bangkok, You're the spark and I'm coming back to you. Oh, W Bangkok, light up the night, skyline dancing, everything feels right. From the lobby to the rooftop bar, we go so far, and Simple Bappa is here tonight, living the vibe under Bangkok lights. Take me higher, let the city sing, every moment feels like a dream, luxury and love in the air. At W Bangkok, we're free. W Bangkok, shining so bright, turn the moments into pure delight. This journey is ours, from near or far, and Simple Bappa is the rising star. Under the glow of the Bangkok night,
W Bangkok offers plenty of facilities. First, the gym, open 24 hours. It's modern, clean, and has all the equipment needed for cardio, weight training, and stretching. Perfect for anyone who wants to stay fit while traveling.
In the heart of Bangkok City, where the neon starts to glow, there's a place that feels like magic, where the good vibes always flow.
Next, I checked out the Away Spa. The moment you enter, you feel a peaceful atmosphere, dim lights, soothing fragrance, and relaxing music. It's the perfect place to unwind after a long day of exploring the city.
W Hotel, shining bright, every moment feels brand new. Tonight I'm walking in with a dream and a perfect view. Oh, W Bangkok, light up the night, skyline dancing, everything feels right. From the lobby to the rooftop bar, we go so far, and Simple Bappa is here tonight, living the vibe under Bangkok lights. Golden halls and crystal shine every corner.
Now let's talk about the most famous feature, the WET deck pool. This is one of those pools you often see on Instagram. During the day, the water looks bright and refreshing. But at night, colorful neon lights transform the whole area into a cool social spot. There's also a bar nearby where you can order snacks or drinks. Whether you're swimming, sunbathing, or just relaxing in the water, the vibe here is amazing. It's truly a highlight of the hotel.
Full of style, cocktails mixing, music spinning, stay a little, talk a while. The city beats inside my heart, and the rhythm feels so true. W Bangkok, you're the spark, and I'm coming back to you. Ooh, oh, W Bangkok, light up the night, skyline dancing, everything feels right. From the lobby to the rooftop bar, we go so far.
The hotel's main restaurant, the kitchen table, serves breakfast, and it was absolutely delicious. The buffet had a huge variety: Thai noodle soup, eggs, sausages, baked items, fresh fruits, desserts, juices, everything you can think of. The live omelette station and fresh juice corner were my favorites. Coffee lovers will enjoy their fresh coffee machines too. Here, the morning buffet isn't just food, it's a mood. You'll find a beautiful spread of international dishes: freshly baked croissants, buttery pastries, Thai-style noodles, porridge, tropical fruits, and chef-made eggs done exactly the way you like. Omelette, sunny side, scrambled. Just ask and they prepare it right in front of you. The Thai section is a favorite. Aromatic rice, spicy curries, crispy pork, and local soups that wake up your taste buds instantly. If you're into healthy options, there are yogurt bowls, chia pudding, detox juices, and plenty of fresh greens. What makes W Hotel special is the luxury touch. Premium cold cuts, smoked salmon, gourmet cheeses, and barista-style coffee that tastes like a morning upgrade. The ambience? Elegant, upbeat, and stylish, just like the W brand. Soft music, warm lighting, and super friendly staff make the breakfast feel less like a buffet and more like a curated dining experience. So if you're staying at W Bangkok, don't skip the morning. Their complimentary breakfast turns an ordinary day into something extraordinary. And for travelers who love to start the day with style, this one's a winner. Now let's talk about one of the most stylish highlights of W Hotel Bangkok, the evening bar. As daylight fades and the city lights begin to glow, W Bangkok transforms into a vibrant nightlife destination. And at the heart of it all is their signature evening bar, a place where luxury meets energy. The moment you walk in, the atmosphere hits you. Dim lights, bold colors, modern art pieces, and that classic W vibe that feels both glamorous and playful. The bar is sleek, sophisticated, and always buzzing with a cool international crowd. Their cocktail menu is a showstopper. Signature drinks crafted with Thai ingredients, fresh herbs, spices, and premium spirits. Whether you like something fruity, refreshing, smoky, or strong, the bartenders mix it with style and precision. Watching them craft cocktails feels like watching a mini performance. If you're not into cocktails, no problem. They offer fine wines, imported beers, and an excellent selection of premium whiskey and gin. The music sets the tone for the evening. Smooth beats, lounge mixes, sometimes live DJs depending on the night. It's the kind of place where you can relax, unwind, or simply enjoy the city mood with friends. And of course, the service is top-notch. Friendly staff, quick service, and a welcoming feel that makes the bar perfect for solo travelers too. Whether you're staying at W Hotel or just visiting Bangkok, the evening bar is a must-experience spot, stylish, energetic, and full of that signature W magic. This is the perfect place to end your day or start your night. The hotel is located in the Sathorn area, a major business district of Bangkok. The BTS SkyTrain station Chong Non Si is only 3 to 4 minutes walking distance from the hotel. That means traveling to any part of the city is very easy. Major tourist spots, shopping centers, and night markets like Icon Siam, MBK Siam Paragon, and Patpong Night Market are all nearby. If you want to explore Bangkok properly, this location is ideal. In terms of service, I would rate it 9 out of 10. The staff are polite, welcoming, and always smiling. Room cleaning, breakfast service, reception support, everything was smooth and well managed. If you face any issue, they respond very quickly. Overall, the hospitality was excellent.
Simple Bappa is here tonight, living the vibe under Bangkok light. Take me higher, let the city sing. Every moment feels like a dream.
The price varies depending on the season, but generally, standard room 6,500 to 9,000 Thai baht, suite room 15,000 to 25,000 Thai baht. Prices can go higher or lower depending on offers, holidays, or promotions. Considering the vibe and luxury, the hotel is worth the cost. Let's come on final review. Should you stay here? After experiencing everything, the room, food, pool, service, location, I can honestly say W Bangkok is one of the best hotels to stay in if you enjoy comfort, style, and luxury. Whether you're traveling with friends, a partner, or solo, this hotel will make your trip even more memorable. Highly recommended. So that brings us to the end of today's vlog about W Bangkok Hotel. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel, your Simple Bappa travel vlog. Comment and let me know which hotel or which country you want to see next. I'll be back soon with a new travel experience. Until then, stay well, take care, and keep traveling.